Underwater explosions are dominated by a very strong initial shock wave in an essentially incompressible medium and by a subsequent pulsating gas bubble whose dynamics, expansion, collapse, multiple oscillations, strongly affect loading on nearby structures. Water's high density and low compressibility makes shock propagation, fluid structure interaction, FSI, cavitation and bubble pulses central problems. Underground buried explosions dissipate energy into the soil, sharp rock, producing a complex combination of ground shock, plastic deformation, and cratering throw. Energy couples differently depending on burial depth, soil type, and confinement. Deep burial couples more into seismic waves. Shallow burial produces craters and ejecta. Scaled depth of burial, EUSDOB, and empirical crater scaling laws are commonly used. Physical phenomena to represent high-level UNDEX. Primary shock front, near field, high overpressure, short duration. Bubble formation from detonation gases. Bubble pulsation generates secondary pressure pulses and long-duration loads. Fluid structure interaction, water loading on hulls, structures, possible cavitation and re-impact. Reflection transmission at free surface, interaction with seabed, rigid elastic structure response, buried explosions, shock propagation in porous, heterogeneous media, soil rock, with strong nonlinearity and material failure. Soil compaction, plastic flow, fracturing, crater excavation, and ejecta mechanics for shallow charges. Ground-borne seismic waves, PS, surface waves, and coupling to structures. Numerical approaches and tools, overview. Because both problems combine extreme short-time dynamics, large deformations, nonlinear material behavior, and FSI, practitioners typically use hydrocodes/explicit dynamic solvers. Common approaches: Eulerian/multi-material. Eulerian, M/E, represents fluid and high deformation regions well, used for blast gas/water. Arbitrary Lagrangian Eulerian, ALE, and coupled Eulerian-Lagrangian, CEL, lets you combine deforming solids, Lagrangian mesh, with fluids, gases, Eulerian mesh, to capture FSI. Smooth particle or meshless methods, less common in production but useful for extreme fragmentation or ejecta. Coupled FEA plus BM/acoustic solvers, for far-field pressure propagation where full hydrocode is too expensive. This package includes 20 detailed tutorials that comprehensively explain underwater and underground explosions using various methods such as CEL, acoustic, and CONWEP. The course covers a wide range of simulations, including ice damage, CFDS-T structures, floating structures, water explosion shocks, concrete dams, concrete slabs, soil craters, concrete gravity dams, hulls, marine structures, sandwich structures, steel piles, concrete piled raft structures, pipelines, and tunnels. This package will provide all that you need about the underwater and underground explosion, including all material data like JWL, EOS, JH2, JC damage, Moore Coulomb, ductile and shear damage, water, air, and applications, naval structure, shot, hull design, and survivability against UNDEX, offshore platform blowout assessments, bubble dynamics near structures, engineering for explosive excavation, mining, demolition, cratering, fragmentation, seismic monitoring and source characterization, forensics treaty verification, risk assessment and protective design, civilian military infrastructure. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for civil engineering students, geotechnical specialists, and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.